So we have a little bit of an unboxing video here. Got this in the mail today. Okay. And it is here is a upper strut tower bar from Eurosport. So this should take literally just a few minutes to install. So we'll walk through that process right now. There's the bar. It also comes with some installation hardware. Looks like nylon insert nuts and instructions. So let's see what we have. Pretty simple. Let me show you a little closer what we have. So here's the bar. So it looks like it's a black powder coat finish. Pretty beefy. Decent weight. It's like a high gloss finish. Looks pretty good. There's the logo. For those who don't know, the purpose of the strut tower bar is to tie the two strut towers together from a rigidity point of view, to kind of like triangulate that part of the chassis, since those are high strain points of the chassis. So this bar here, if you can see, has the two holes, and the two holes correlate to the two bolt holes on the upper strut mount. So it's really just a matter of loosening those two nuts, the two nuts on the other side, sliding the bar on and tightening them up. And that's really it. It's a pretty simple install. More effective on these cars is the lower brace, which I will walk through in the next video, but it basically ties in the mounts where the lower control arms mount, and same thing from the bottom side, it ties the left side to the right side of the chassis. So we'll just throw this guy on really quick. So here's the final product. If you actually watched the video, it took like 2 takes. I mounted it and was able to get this hole and those two over there mounted, but I had trouble aligning this guy here. So I actually just undid it and did the two fronts first, And in the backs, I think just because this is a longer run on the tubing, it's almost like a little springier, a little more flexible. So I was able to get that on. Whereas when it was the front, that was the misaligned when it was like nearly impossible. And this is a thicker tube as well. But that's it, pretty simple. It's in. I will be doing the lower brace soon. I'm kind of waiting. I got some work to do down here. I want to do the engine mount, water pump, pulleys, belts, all that. So I think I will do the lower brace when I do that, because I'm suspecting that the lower brace might actually block a little bit of the access to, especially the motor mount right there. But yeah, super quick video. There it is, strut tower brace on a Mk1 VW.